Teachers are the only person who always helps other to gain knowledge. For your patience, kindness and endless dedication, I just want to say thanks to those angels who enlighten our lives with the light of knowledge, curiosity, wisdom, and these are teachers. I found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love everything in a person, and the person is teacher. And Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September. The day marks the anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, who was an Indian scholar. He was also called as second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was a great scholar who dedicated his life towards education. Once he was asked by a student to celebrate his birthday. He simply replied that instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud and privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. His birthday was then declared as Teachers' Day. From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respect for teacher more wild has grown immensely. We know it has been a challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported in our throughout and helped for cope with online classes and tests. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on the behalf of every student for our unwavering support. Thank you for guiding, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Teachers have been working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level this year may have given us a tough time, but our teachers surely been a ray of hope. Since 1962, 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day in India. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's thought of education is to make a person skilled and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Teachers guides us, motivates us, supports us, inspire us and teach us. Thank you to all teachers for guiding me and happy Teachers Day to all teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.